Okay, so hello. This is the Renergetic application that we have developed. Okay, so what you can see right now is a number of areas, okay, that you can use to set up your energy community. You have also an NPC, okay, which is a virtual avatar which is using custom-based knowledge. Okay, for this application, it could be any other base knowledge, but right now she's using a Renergetic based model. Knowledge base. Okay, so this is the first step. You get presented with these areas. You have a support, and so let's start with the application. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to ask something to Renee. Hello, who are you?
I'm Renee, your virtual assistant here to assist you within this application.
What is this application about?
My name is a playful nod to the project's original name, Renergetic, from the H2020 project to which this VR application belongs.
Okay, Renee, what can I do in the application?
I can answer questions about concepts related to the application, such as explaining what an energy island is, clarifying the difference between as-is and to-be scenarios, or describing the purpose of epics functionalities.
Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about the functionalities that we can implement in Renergetic?
Functionalities, also known as epics, are options that the system offers to the user to enhance the energy efficiency of their as-is scenario within the virtual reality application.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so as I said, these are the areas, so let's start loading an already set up area. Okay, let's start with this scenario. Okay, as you can see now, the areas are populated with information. We have communal, we have electricity, the inner area, okay, with the electricity capacity, heat capacity, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's see one area that we would like to work on here. Communal area is very much grid dependent. Okay, it has a lot of CO2 production, so this one has a lot of margin of improvement. Okay, so let's click on the area and let's start modifying the questionnaire that has been answered before. Okay, so we can say that the average educational buildings are considered standard. Let's say no, which means that we are having some green generation. Okay, so let's go the same by yes, that it has rooftop PV panels, that it will be provided with a heat pump. It will be using some heat pumps. It will have battery storage. It will have EV wall box. It will have a heating distribution system. Okay, and now we can see that there is a big improvement regarding this area. Okay, let's close it here. We can see now that it has a lot of production, but regarding electricity, we can see that there is a part here that is being covered by the grid. Okay, regarding CO2, we can see a big improvement here. Okay, and also regarding the consumption. Okay, we can see that for the case of electricity, it has changed from all this bar for the grid dependency. Now a small part is covered by itself production, and the same for heat. Okay, so all the heat that it was taken from the grid, now it's produced by itself. And if we move now to the control panel of the energy community, we can see all the changes, okay, regarding CO2, okay, how it was the status quo, and how it will be if we implement the changes. Regarding production, we can also see that the bars have changed a little bit. Maybe it's not easy to see the difference, but there is a small gap, okay, regarding electricity. And regarding consumption, we can also see that in the case of heat, okay, there it will be less grid dependent, okay. So this is it. This is regarding the configuration of the energy community, what you are able to do within the application. And then we have case studies. What are the case studies? Right now we can only see one here, okay. It's not yet implemented, but the idea here in the case studies is to see what have been done in Renergetic in the 3 pilots, okay. So right now you can see there is no information because this is a work in progress, but the idea here is that the user will be able to see what we did on each pilot site, what were the measures that were taken during the project, what was the improvement within each functionality, such as the heat demand response, electricity supply optimization, multi-vector, multi-objective optimizer, and so on. Okay, Renee, thank you very much for your help. We are leaving now. See you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.